If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The chart of accounts lists all accounts in your company file. To open the chart of accounts page in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Chart of Accounts link under the Your Company heading. The accounts in the chart of accounts are ordered by account type as follows. First, assets, then liabilities, then equity, then income, then expenses, then other income and expenses, and finally any non-posting accounts. The Chart of Accounts page in QuickBooks Online contains the Chart of Accounts list. The Chart of Accounts list is a table in which each account appears as a separate row. Information about the account appears in the columns. There are columns for the account's name, account type, detail type, QuickBooks balance, bank balance, and an action column. If you enable account numbering, then a number column also appears. At the far left side of the Chart of Accounts list is a checkbox column that lets you check accounts to select them if needed to perform batch actions. To perform actions on an account in the Chart of Accounts, click or select an action from its action column. Possible actions include the View Register or Run Report command, the Connect Bank command, and the Edit and Make Inactive commands. The View Register command only appears for balance sheet accounts, like asset, liability, and equity accounts. All other accounts show the Run Report command instead. The Connect Bank command only appears for bank account types. To perform batch actions on selected accounts, check the checkboxes to the left of the accounts on which to perform the same action in the Chart of Accounts list. Then click the Batch Actions button towards the upper left corner of the page and select the desired action to perform from the drop-down menu. To filter which accounts to show in the Chart of Accounts by either account name or number, use the Filter by Name or Number field towards the upper left corner of the page. Alternatively, to filter the accounts by who created them, or by balance sheet or profit and loss accounts, select a choice from the drop-down to the right of the Filter by Name or Number field. To view the number column if needed, click the Settings Gear button in the upper right corner above the account list, and check the Number checkbox under the Columns heading in the drop-down menu that appears. To open the associated account register or account report for an account, click or select the View Register or Run Report command from its action column. To inactivate an account, click the drop-down arrow in its action column and select the Make Inactive link to open a pop-up window where you must then confirm you want to inactivate the account. To edit an account, click the drop-down arrow under its action column and select the Edit command to open an Edit Account pane at the right side of the window. Then edit the account information in this pane and click the Save button at the bottom of the pane to save the changes and close the pane. To open a report on the accounts in the Chart of Accounts, which you can customize, click the Run Report button at the top of the Chart of Accounts page. To create new accounts or import accounts, use the New Account drop-down button to the right of the Run Report button. In the upper right corner, above the list, there are 3 buttons. From left to right, these are the Batch Edit, Print, and Settings buttons. To open a page where you can edit multiple accounts at once to add account numbers or change account names, click the Batch Edit button. You can then edit the account names or numbers in the page that opens. To save the batch changes in this page, click the Save button in its upper right corner. To open a web page that contains a printer-friendly list of the chart of accounts and also open your web browser's print dialog box, click the Print button. You can close this page after printing or viewing it. To show a drop-down menu that lets you change settings that control the display of the account list in the Chart of Accounts page, click the Settings button. To show or hide columns in the Chart of Accounts list, check or uncheck the names of the columns under the Columns heading in the button's drop-down menu. To show inactive accounts, check the Include Inactive checkbox under the Other heading in the drop-down menu. To show account type badges for balance sheet and profit and loss accounts in the Chart of Accounts list, check the Show Account Type Badges checkbox in this same section. To change the number of accounts shown per page within the Chart of Accounts, select a choice from the Page Size section of the drop-down menu. To set the table row density, which determines how much space to give each row in the table, select the Desired Option button in the Table Density section of the drop-down menu. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.